Can you feed Go-Go?
Huh?
Can you feed Go-Go?
Go-Go, eat. Go-Go, you need to eat. Go-Go. Hey. Go-Go, it's Go-Go. Go-Go?
You feeding Go-Go?
I got some of my mommy's here. Please sit right there.
Gabriel, is that good ice cream?
No, he's Go-Go. His name is Go-Go. His name is Go-Go, right? His name is Go-Go.
Okay.
Go-Go, it's Go-Go. His name is Go-Go. How you go, Gabble? Go-Go. My sister.
There's our mama. Am I having fun tonight?
I am.
You, Mommy.
Smile.
Dad.
Smile at Daddy.
Go-Go. Go-Go. Watch this. Watch this. Watch my kisses back. Yummy, yummy, Gabble. This is my yummy Go-Go right there. Oh,
Is it stuck?
Yep. Stuck right here. He's
Mm.
hungry, right?
Is he hungry?
Take it so much. Yeah, Go-Go. Let me put in my tongue.
You put it on your tongue.
It's in my tongue. It's pressed in my tongue. Mama.
Put it in your mouth.
It's juice in there.
Is that good, Gabriel?
No, he's Go-Go.
Go-Go?
Go-Go.
Is that good? Hey, is that good, Go-Go? Where's Go-Go?
He's right there. I got to see him too. His knee help. He's nasty with me. Look. Yummy, yummy, Gaby. Go-Go. Yummy, Gaby. Go-Go. His name is Go-Go, Jacob. Okay. Hi, Go-Go. Who keeps eating mine? He keeps eating ours.
Gabe's making out like a bandit on this deal.
And I give it to him. He said no.
Careful, Gaby.
Oh, mine. Get with him. Go-Go with me.